I have an original dystopian rock musical that I have spent the last 8 years of my life writing. I have rejection letters from every major and minor producer, theater company, record label, and film studio in existence. And in just over a week, I will be 30 years old.
Just a lost boy in a small town. I'm the same kid, but I'm grown now.
You get to a certain age and you stop being a writer who waits tables and you become a waiter with a hobby.
Late night and I'm at home, so I make friends with my shadow and I play him all the sad, sad songs. And we don't talk, but he sings along like, ooh, fairy tales are not the truth. What am I supposed to do? I guess Peter Pan was right. Growing up so wasted time. So I think I'll fly away, set a course for brighter days. Find the second star I'm soaring, then straight on to the morning. I know that I'll be fine, 'cause I know Peter Pan was right.
Have you heard anything yet?
I have heard nothing but rage.
Yes, that's great news.
Everyone is telling me the same thing. That Jonathan Lawson. I can't wait to see what he does next.
What do you mean? What I do next?
Rosa, hold on. So, okay. So what am I supposed to do now?
Thought it'd be me, but I guess that dream wasn't meant to be.
I want to do what you do.
What's going on?
Oh, it's good. It's good. I just spent the last 8 years killing myself on a musical that's never gonna happen.
Oh, I found that very hard to believe. It was incredible this morning.
Well, but not incredible enough. I can't do it again, Mike. I can't stomach 5 more years of waiting tables, 5 more years of writing things that no one will ever see, while Broadway just churns out mega musicals without a hint of even the slightest thing original or, God forbid, something to actually say about the world. I can't keep wasting my time, Mike.
And I don't care if I never land, 'cause the distant sky's always better than my life right now. And the place I am, so for one last time, I guess Peter Pan.
You start writing the next one. And after you finish that one, you start on the next. And on and on. And that's what it is to be a writer, honey. You just keep throwing them against the wall and hoping against hope that eventually something sticks. Start sharpening those pencils.